Just shove it around the corner. What's not working? Oh. That's good.
The other side of the story is the dramatic drop in temperatures, the dangerous wind chills. As early as Thursday at 7 o'clock in the evening, we'll have wind chills below zero. And Friday, in the middle of the day, 15 below to 30 below zero wind chills.
Update. Furnace for sure isn't working. Eric had gotten it to restart. We had a dude come look at it and say it's some kind of board, circuit board or something, and that they'll get us an estimate for replacing the board and replacing the furnace. So if we come in here, you'll see no flames, nothing, nada. So that's a problem. So we've got 2 larger space heaters downstairs, and it feels great down here. Like, I'm starting to get a little hot because I have the stove on right now cooking something. But we got space heater 1. Help me name them because they're really gonna get us through these next couple days. This is space heater 1, okay? And then we come to the opposite side of the house over here, so you know we can tackle it from both ends. Space heater 1 and space heater 2. You can see him going over there. So, someone tell me what we should name these 2 because they're gonna get us through this freaking insane cold. I'm thinking, you know, I kind of want them to be heat themed. You want to play ball? He's like, yeah, open it. Let's go. No, we're gonna play with this one. Oh my gosh, hello. Hello, grab it, let's go. Come on.
Snowflakes falling down towards the earth this morning. Wow, I can't believe my eyes, it's like a Christmas card. I hope it will set. I haven't had a real white Christmas yet. I've got my fingers crossed, I've never wished this hard.
Snowflakes falling down.
Snowflakes falling down to the ground beneath my feet.
Let the blizzard begin. Hi, bye, I love you. What are you baking? Oh. I don't want one. Eric will want one.
Can I give you a bunch? Are you going to
No,
the hospital?
I'm gonna go to the hospital.
Where's your beef going?
To Debbie.
Where's that?
Tomorrow morning.
Oh, are you going home?
Yeah.
Can you give me a ride to land?
Yeah.
Because the Tahoe is ready.
Okay, go.
Okay, great. Let me get the cookies out the cookie sheet though, honey.
Okay. I'm sorry, did you want this? You're so handsome. These are blizzard conditions, didn't you know? Why would I put my foot back down into the snow? I said, these are blizzard conditions, didn't you know? I said. Furnace is still kaputt's town, but we've got a bunch of space heaters going, so I am nervous for a fire, but I am happy to be warm. It's time. You ready? For what at the equipment table? I'm more than ready for what at the equipment table. DVD advertisements? Look at Mariah's face, she's so offended. She's always a wicked queen. Where's that other guy? Oh my god, not those sound effects. Ding, ding. These clip-on bangs. are terrible. It's the worst part.
To a job, to a girl. Well, you couldn't commit to Rebecca. Amazing, perfect Rebecca.
We're done. I cried.
You did?
Yes, I did. Right when they were macking. Because the woman is beautiful. Especially when I notice she never looks at the ring. Get on him all the time. Because that's what she cares about.
Well, yeah. Also, he's much prettier to look at than some rings.
So true. She's like, hell yes, I'm gonna stare at this for the rest of my life. After I say, yes, please. Yes, sir. What should the Christmas cookie of the day be?
Oh, lemon shortbread.
Okay, there you go. Good night.
Good night.
You've got to stay like it. Let me say. Let me say.
No.
Let me see it.
It's my weirdness and it's yours for.
Let me see it.
No.
Please. It's so perfect. I need it. Yeah. She covers it back.